What do you do when somebody passes a mean comment or disrespects you? Do you just laugh it off and move on? Do you generally say yes to people even for the things that you don't want to do because you don't want to upset them? If so, you're not alone. I have been there, and in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can make others treat you with respect without losing your kindness. Hi, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Pratima. In this channel, I help you find calm, clarity, and confidence with tiny mindset shifts and small habits. If that is something you're interested in, do subscribe and follow along. Number one, commanding respect. A few months ago, I attended a wedding wearing one of my new favorite dress, and a aunt of mine made a mean comment about it. I felt bad, but I just laughed it off and moved on because I didn't want to create a scene over there. But every other time I wanted to wear that dress, I remembered her comment and I felt hurt. This aunt of mine, she often makes such mean comments and I say nothing. And that day I realized that with my silence, I was indirectly teaching her that it's okay to mock me. The truth is, people treat us in a way that we allow them to treat us. So the next time I met her, I calmly told her that her words hurt me and that it was not okay. After that, she was never mean to me again. So that day taught me something powerful. That is, respect starts with me setting clear boundaries. Chapter 2, Setting Boundaries. So, the tricky part with boundaries is that I didn't know what my boundaries are until somebody crossed them. And even when I knew what my boundaries are, I didn't always enforce them. I generally let things slide, told myself that it's not a big deal, and I carried that hurt silently in my heart. So, if you know me, then you know that I use writing or journaling as a solution to most of my problems. So that is what I did with boundaries too. So one day I sat down and wrote about all the times I felt disrespected in the recent past. For example, my friends come 30 to 40 minutes late to all of our meetings, and that makes me feel disrespected. Similarly, I feel disrespected when somebody comments or makes a joke on my body. After writing down all these instances, I asked myself, is this a boundary breach for me? If yes, what is that I am going to do next time this happens? I decided what I'm going to say, what I'm going to do, and I committed to myself that I will stick to this plan. So I went ahead and had a conversation with my friends, though it was uncomfortable. And whenever somebody made a comment or a joke on my body, I started telling them that it's not okay, it hurts me, and I don't want them to do it. And you will be surprised how much things can change when you can stand up for yourself and tell people exactly what you feel. Though my friends still come late, it is 5 to 10 minutes and not 30 to 40 minutes like it used to be. And now people know my body is off limits for their jokes. Always remember, how other people react to your boundaries is not in your control. People who are used to controlling you or manipulating you might test your boundary again and again. If somebody is upset because of your boundary, you need not explain yourself, you need not shout. You can just reaffirm or restate your boundary and stand firm on it. Number 3, stop trying to be nice all the time. So I have learned that I should stop trying to be nice all the time because it's not humanly possible. We should be nice because we genuinely want to be nice to the people that we love. We shouldn't be nice because we are afraid that we might offend somebody else. If we start doing that, then our niceness, which is a gift, rather starts being a burden to us and it starts feeling heavy and draining. I have also realized that it is important to be nice to myself first. So these days, I often ask myself, before I answer something or brush it off, is it okay? Does this feel okay to you? And if the answer is no, then I'm okay with saying no to other people. In a very kind and calm manner, of course. I still stumble sometimes, but I'm slowly trying to build this muscle. People started respecting me more after I started respecting myself. If you don't stand up for yourself, then people assume that they can get away with anything with you. But the moment you stand up for yourself, you will see a shift in how other people treat you. So, to summarize the video, understand what your boundaries are and write them down. Decide what you will do when they are breached and stand up for yourself and tell other people exactly how you feel. It's not necessary to be nice to people who don't deserve it. Be nice to yourself first. I hope you took away something from this video and this was helpful. Do let me know what struck a chord with you in the comments below. We'll meet you again next week with a new video. Thank you for watching. See you.